Hi everyone, today we will talk about a very common question. Is gambling legal in India? Many people are confused about this, so let's understand it in an easy way. First, what is gambling? Gambling means putting money or something valuable on an uncertain result. You take a risk. If you win, you get more money. If you lose what you put in. Gambling has three important parts: money or stake risk prize or winning result. It can happen instantly, like dice or roulette, or it can happen later, like sports match results. Betting is a part of gambling. Gambling is the bigger word. Betting is a specific type of gambling, mostly used in sports. Example: you predict the outcome of a cricket match. You place money on it. If your prediction is correct, you win. Now, the most important point. In India, gambling is a state subject. That means each state makes its own gambling laws. So, what is legal in one state may be illegal in another state, because different states have different rules. There is one old central law called the Public Gambling Act, 1867. This is also called the Gambling Act. This law mainly bans owning or running a gaming house, gambling inside a common gaming house, visiting places where gambling happens, giving money for gambling purposes. Many states adopted this law during British times, and they made their own rules too. In India, gambling is mainly decided by one concept, that is, game of skill versus game of chance. A game of chance depends mostly on luck. Example: roulette, dice games, three-card games. A game of skill depends mostly on your ability and knowledge. The Supreme Court has explained that if a game is mainly skill, then it is not treated as gambling. LawRato gives examples. Horse racing is treated as a skill-based activity in many cases. Rummy has also been called a game of skill because players use memory and strategy, but three cards or flush is treated as a game of chance. Most Indian states prohibit gambling and betting, but there are exceptions. LawRato explains that Goa and Sikkim are popular states that allow and regulate gambling in some forms. They have legal casinos and regulated gaming systems. So, again, it depends on which state you are in. Now, let's talk about online gambling. The Public Gambling Act is very old. It does not clearly mention online gambling because in 1867 there was no internet. But online betting exists today, and many websites attract people. LawRato explains that the government uses other rules to control this. For example, RBI rules for electronic payments, IT laws that can block certain websites, restrictions that prevent some businesses from offering gambling services online. Let's understand some common forms. Casinos legal only in regulated states like Goa and Sikkim. Poker. Some versions may be considered skill-based, but rules vary by state. Sports betting. Mostly illegal in many states. Horse race betting has special treatment. Fantasy sports. If it is a game of skill, it may be legal. Some states have licensing conditions. Lotteries, state governments control lotteries. Private lotteries are usually illegal. Many people forget this part. Even if you win money legally, you may have to pay tax. LawRato explains, winnings above 10,000 are taxed. TDS is deducted at 30% on such winnings. This includes winnings from lottery, card games, and other gambling type winnings. LawRato also mentions equalization levy on certain online services, GST at 28% in some gambling-related cases like casinos and betting. Since state laws are different, confusion is common. If you are stuck in a gambling case, legal help can protect you. A lawyer can guide you on whether it is legal in your state, what sections apply, how to defend yourself, how to complain about illegal gambling activities. Let's recap quickly. Gambling laws are controlled by states. Public Gambling Act 1867 is the basic law. Skill games like rummy and horse racing may be allowed. Chance games are mostly illegal. Goa and Sikkim regulate gambling. Online gambling is controlled using other rules. Winnings are taxable. Thanks for watching. If you want more simple legal videos like this, comment below. We make law easy to understand.